How to put header only on first page in MS Word. So if you want to put header only on first page in MS Word, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Word document. After opening, now if you want to insert the header, then what you need to do is just simply go with the insert option, and here you will have the header option. Just click on header and then select any header that you're comfortable with, and your header has been inserted. Right. So if you want to put the header only on the first page, then here you need to go with different first page, which is on the first option. Just click on it. Once you check on that, now you can just simply add a header on the first page and it won't repeat on the next page. So as you can see that you need to go and type the header again on the next page because the first page is different. So once you enter the header, just go with done or just double click on the white space which is right here, and that's it. Your header has been added. Now if you scroll down, here you won't have the header. You need to type separately for that second page. So that's how you can put a header only on the first page in MS Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.